Today we'll be taking a look at Boston Beach, located 9 miles east of Port Antonio. And this is the home of the Portland Jerk Festival, which is an annual food and music festival that takes place each summer. This beach is known for some high waves and is ideal for surfing, which take place here. It is early morning and not much people on the beach at this time. It's another well-kept beach with water warm and pristine. Another beautiful beach here in Portland with these huge rocks on and offshore as an added bonus for nature lovers. Wait, there's more.